In this experiment, we determine the surface with highest friction constant. Different surfaces have different friction constant, so this experiment provides a quick way to choose a surface with highest or lowest friction constant among a bunch of surfaces. A wooden slab was set up against the wall with an angle of inclination of 43 degrees. The vertical height from which the objects are being released is said to be 45 cm. This was same for all surfaces to remove any variable which could affect the experimental values. The wooden surface was taken as the surface of slab, whereas other surfaces were just attached onto the slab. The distance traveled by the object on the flat surface was measured. Object was released 3 times on each surface and an average was taken to minimize any form of error. Error percentage was still calculated by using least count of the meter rule and the distance traveled by the object. It was further multiplied by the percentage 100 to show the percentage error. The distance traveled by the object show impact of friction from the surface. Higher friction constant would have greater friction acting on the object and would reduce the initial speed, which would result in a smaller distance traveled by the object, and vice versa. From the experiment, it was observed objects travel the lowest distance with the inclined surface being paper, showing it had the highest friction constant among the other surfaces used in the experiment.